Welcome to BURUI FIBC, a professional manufacturer of FIBC bulk bags. Located in Shandong, China, we operate a modern facility with 2 flat wire drilling machines, 30 circular looms, 20 lifting belt machines, and 6 sewing workshops. Our daily output reaches up to 14,000 standard bulk bags, meeting the needs of various industries. From material selection to weaving, stitching, and final inspection, we strictly control every process to ensure safety and durability. Our products are widely used in chemical, agriculture, construction, and the food sectors. Currently, over 40% of our bags are exported to countries like Japan, Korea, the UK, US, and South Africa. BURUI FIBC, your trusted partner in bulk bag solution. Let's work together for a better future.